Hello everyone, a warm welcome to each and everyone to this wonderful session of Unacademy Karnataka CET Live. I wish you hearty welcome to each and everyone. Welcome back to biology classes. This is Shaik Imran. I am a biology faculty having more than 5 years of teaching experience in competitive exams coaching like Karnataka CET, AP Telangana MCET, in NCRT also experienced as a teacher in International School of Qatar country of Indian school. I am here to teach you biology subject for Karnataka set. The students who are going to write the exam for Karnataka set 2021 and 2022, I wish you heartfully that you will become a top ranker of Karnataka set with an academy. You must be in a top colleges of Karnataka by next year at this time. I wish you heartfully with my wishes and with my training, along with your hard work, by our motivations, everything is possible. There is nothing is impossible. Just remove that im and make it everything possible. Regularly, along with me, all top educators of Unacademy Karnataka set faculty, top educators of India, dealing free live classes in an academy learning app, specially for you. You can utilize this and you can have free live class experience. You can join with us regularly at your comfortable time. I would suggest you to download an academy learning app from Play Store, install in your mobile phone, Android, iOS, tab, laptop, whatever you're using. Once you install it, search your goal as Karnataka set. Once you type Karnataka, you will get Karnataka Common Entrance Test. Select in English language. Of course, you can take Kannada also. If you choose your preference language as English, you will find all my courses for free of cost. Of course, you can take Kannada also, that up to your wish. Verify with your email and mobile number. I would suggest you to follow my profile, not only my profile, you can follow all top educators of Unacademy Karnataka set. Once you start following our profiles, you will be getting all upcoming free live class notifications. Also, you will get previously completed all topics which help you a lot for your complete preparation. If you're watching these classes during non-live, you can message me whatever doubts you have. I am sure that I will give you 100% clarity whatever doubt you have. You can join with me regularly. If you like these free live classes of an academy Karnataka set, I would suggest you that you can join with us regularly by taking plus subscription with 1 month, 6 months, 12 months, and also we have with 24 months plan. I would suggest you as a beginner, you can take 1 month plus subscription. You can have 1 month live experience, how in plus course, how the educators are dealing with you. If you like, you can take any above subscription and you can pay like per month EMI also. This is a great opportunity to you. You can learn from your home. Once you take plus subscription, you will get premium content at very low and affordable price. You will get structured live courses with dedicated live doubt clearing sessions where you will get 100% doubt clarification. Of course, while learning, we will be getting doubts. For clarifying all your doubts, we have a special sessions. You will get a quiz and regular for interval sessions. You can have your self analysis. You can estimate what would be your rank, where you have to improve. We already started batches for complete preparation by different plans with 1 month, 6 months, and 12 months. You will get test series, daily practice papers, full length mock test, and you can have your complete analysis. Finally, the single subscription for unlimited access. There is no doubt to say that you will become a top ranker of Karnataka CET with Unacademy. Once you take plus subscription, complete syllabus will be covered for you. Tips and tricks given by top educators of Unacademy Karnataka CET. Topic wise practice questions given to you and full length mock test also conducted for you. If you want to learn with me in Plus course, use my code that is IMRANLIVE. By using my code, I am providing you 10% off in your fee. Also, you will get a great opportunity to learn with me in your journey of Karnataka CET 2021 and 2022 preparation. This is not only for biology. Once you take plus subscription by using my code, you will get complete set of your preparation, include physics, chemistry, maths, and biology. Right? Without doing any late, let's start our discussion on our topic. We are dealing with class 12 NCRT, unit number 6, that is reproduction. In unit number 6, we have successfully covered chapter number 1, reproduction in organisms. We have covered chapter number 2, that is sexual reproduction in flowering plants. Chapter number 3, that is human reproduction, we have successfully covered. The students who missed my previous lectures, I would suggest you that you can have free live class experience, or you can take for recorded classes also, and you can have complete free experience. You can crack your dreams with Unacademy. Right now we are dealing with chapter number 4, that is reproductive health. So from lecture number 1, we discussed about reproductive health, the concepts, the necessity of reproductive health, and we discussed about barrier methods. We discussed about, in last lecture we discussed about medical termination of pregnancy. Now we are going to discuss about a special and very important topic, that is sexually transmitted infections. This knowledge is must to have each and everyone in this society. Due to lack of this kind of knowledge in human beings, we are facing lot of issues, lot of infections we are getting, and these infections are easily transferring from infected person to healthy person. For avoiding these kind of infections, for avoiding these kind of diseases in this society, we must have a proper knowledge. So I would suggest you to each and everyone who are watching this session right now to share this video link as much as possible, then everybody can know. See that the education is right for each and everyone. Everyone can have education. So by you, your friends also can learn the importance of sexually transmitted infections, how can be aware, how can avoid such these things, how can be safe from these kind of sexually transmitted infections. What is the meaning of sexually transmitted infections? The infections which are caused by sexual intercourse are called as sexually transmitted diseases. These diseases can be transferred from unhealthy person, that means the infected person, to healthy person by sexual intercourse, by transferring of saliva, like by kissing, transferring of semen into female vagina, transferring of female vaginal fluid and anal fluid to male penis. So these can be transferred from anywhere to anywhere. So we must be aware. So in this session, I am going to introduce you some dangerous sexually transmitted infections. We will discuss about them, and let's start our discussion about infections which are transmitted through the sexual intercourse by meeting the couple, male and female, which they participate without any safety, that means which include condoms. Of course, the semen will be ejaculated into female vagina. The male, whatever he is having diseases, infections, will be enter into female body. The female, what she is having infections, can be transferred into male. Of course, within the same lecture, we cannot cover entire sexually transmitted infections. We will divide and we will discuss each and everything about them, and we will learn slowly. Of course, slow learning is best learning. Of course, do you agree with me? Yes, we will learn slowly and we will learn lot of things about sexually transmitted infections, and we can avoid in future, right? The infections which are transmitted through sexual intercourse. By participating in sexual intercourse between male and female, these are called as sexually transmitted diseases. Is this clear to you? Generally, we call as STI or STD, also sexually transmitted diseases or infections. Clear? Or generally we call venereal diseases VD, or we call reproductive tract infections, because these infections can be seen at male penis, female vagina mostly. That is the reason also we call reproductive tract infections or TI. So these are include gonorrhea. Hope you listened about the word gonorrhea disease. It is quite common in male and female. So in upcoming slides, I will discuss about each and every one. And syphilis. Syphilis also type of disease, dangerous disease. Male, female also we can see. Genital herpes, chlamydiasis, genital warts, trichomoniasis, hepatitis B, HIV. It's a very dangerous disease, HIV, which leads to acquired immunodeficiency syndrome, that is disease. HIV is a virus, human immunovirus. Once this virus, HIV virus, entered in human body, immediately it starts functioning, and it takes a long time, may takes years also. So slowly it affect on human immune system, then it leads to disease. The disease called as acquired immunodeficiency syndrome. That means once a person got affected by human immunovirus effect, then slowly what happens, it leads to acquired immuno. That means it affects on immune system of human being, immune system of affected person. So we can observe the deficiency of immune system, the syndromes about deficiency of immune system. So it is very most dangerous about comparatively with all sexual transmitted infections. The HIV AIDS is very dangerous infection. So once a human, a healthy adult got, for example, HIV virus, finally it leads to AIDS. Death is final. There is another option. Death is final. There are no medicines for other any kind of disease like gonorrhea, syphilis, genital herpes, etc. If we found in beginning stage, we have lot of ways to control. But in the case of HIV, there are no any way to control the death. Right? Let's discuss about each and every type of sexually transmitted infections, and we will discuss how do they affect, and we will discuss how to control them also. So after completing these lectures, I will give you final recap. In final recap, I will give you clarity how to control these kind of sexually transmitted infections. Now we will understand the causes of these kind of sexual transmitted infections, and I will give you full of clarity on where they affect, what are the different various types of symptoms in male and female. The symptoms which may appear also, which may not appear also. The symptoms may differ in male also, the symptoms may differ in female. So we will discuss about them, we will study about them, then we can avoid from the society, right? Let's understand about chlamydia. Chlamydia is a type of sexually transmitted infection. It is caused by a special pathogen. The pathogen name is Chlamydia trachomatis. Chlamydia trachomatis that usually infect the genital of both men and women. So, which affect the penis as well as vagina of female. Male penis and female vagina it will affect. Once it entered in human body, it starts affecting these both penis region and vagina region also. So I would suggest you can refer Google also by searching about chlamydia infected organs. You will find various organs, variously shaped organs. So once it has affected, immediately the organs may change the shape also. Wound also may appear. You can observe here inside the female reproductive tract, right? Then, but can also infect the throat also, the rectum region also, and eyes also. So these not only affect on male genital. Genital means which include penis and vagina. Also they affect on throat also. They affect on the rectum. Rectum means the just before to the anus, which hold the fecal matter until it to be ejected from the body. Rectum. Then the from eyes also it will affect. So we must be aware of these kind of infections. Let's study the symptoms in women. So which kind of symptoms can be seen in women? Let's study about them. An unusual vaginal discharge. In the case of female, the usual vaginal discharge can be seen with white color fluid. So sometimes it can be quite common. So when a female gets sexual desires, immediately vaginal discharge starts from the vaginal tract for lubrication purpose. In unusual conditions, due to in the case of chlamydia disease, the vagina starts releasing the vaginal discharge. The vaginal discharge may white color, brown color, sometimes it can be green color, which may with foul smell, bad smell, right? Then second symptom, pain or a burning sensation. Female can feel pain or a burning sensation while the passing the urine. While the urine passing from the female vagina, she may feel the pain or a burning sensation. So these are the symptoms. Then bleeding between the periods, of course, in the menstrual cycle, we know very well we have a bleeding phase also. Yes, we have a bleeding phase also. We have ovulation phase also. We have luteinizing phase also, right? We have secretory phase also. We studied during our discussion on menstrual cycle, right? Then pain during sexual intercourse, or sometimes it may result for the bleeding of sexual intercourse. So, in this case of chlamydia, that is sexually transmitted infection, a female can feel bleeding in between the periods. Other than bleeding period, that means from the day 1 of menstrual cycle to day 7 menstrual cycle, it may reason for bleeding. Other than these periods, if she feeling the bleeding sensation or bleeding, that is maybe reason for chlamydia. Pain during sexual intercourse or after completing the sexual intercourse, bleeding also may occur, right? Then sometimes low abdominal pain, sometimes with nausea feeling also can be seen, right? So these are various types of symptoms in female. Let's understand now symptoms in the case of male. If a male affected by chlamydia, which kind of symptoms can be seen? Yes, is this clear to you, everyone? Yes, keep sending your thumbs up signs. Keep sharing this video link with your friends. Yes, your likes always makes me more energetic. Symptoms in male: white or generally cloudy, watery discharge. It can be white color, cloudy or watery discharge from the tip of the penis. From the tip of the penis can be seen. A white color, a cloudy, a watery. For example, if I roughly represent on the screen, so if I roughly represent on the screen, at the tip means at the bulb region of the penis. Here, at this region, white color, a cloudy, watery discharge can be apparent. Then the pain or burning sensation while urine passing from the urethra. From the urethra, while urine passing, we can sense the burning or pain sensation while urination. Right? Then testicular pain. Sometimes male can feel testicular pain or sometimes swelling of testes also. So these are symptoms of chlamydia. At the end of all the sessions, I will give you full of clarity how to control this. Right? Then we will study about human health and diseases in our class 12 chapter. There we will study how to control, how to avoid these kind of sexually transmitted infections. So now I am just introducing you the names and the types of sexually transmitted diseases. Is this clear to you? Then let's come to one more type of disease, that is gonorrhea. Gonorrhea, also called as clap. Why do we call as clap? I will discuss. No need to worry. The gonorrhea is caused by Neisseria gonorrhea pathogen. The nickname of the clap refers to treatment. The treatment was used to clear blockage in the urethra from the gonorrhea pus. Generally, when a person affected by gonorrhea disease in his or her urethra region, the gonorrhea pus, a substance which is fluid and which is hard substance, light yellowish, that is called as pus, filled in urethra. By removing the urethra's pus, we named as club. By the treatment method, we named as a nickname, that is club. club. In this treatment, the penis would be clapped on the sides simultaneously. That means nothing but in this, what happens? The penis will be clapped, and generally what happens? The pus which is stored in urethra will be removed effectively outside of the urethra. So at this process, the penis will be clapped, right? The gonorrhea symptoms in the case of woman, that is in female, how it appears. Let's discuss about them first, then we will go to male. So once a female got gonorrhea symptoms, strong smelling vaginal discharge can be seen. That may be thin discharge or watery discharge, or it can be thick and yellow or green discharge also can be seen. But it will be very strong smelling, that would be bad smelling. Then the irritation or generally discharge from the anus. Sometimes irritation in anus, sometimes discharge in anus. Sometimes what happens, kindly do not get confused in normal conditions. Sometimes any male or any female, if they are not properly cleaned at pubic region, at that kind of situations also we can see irritation itching. So that is not any infection is that kind of situation. These all symptoms must be present. Any one of the symptoms is not exactly infection, right? Then abnormal vaginal bleeding. So not only bleeding phase, any other phase also bleeding can be seen. Pain or burning sensation when passing urine. When urine is passing, then can feel, female can feel the burning or pain sensation. low abdominal pain, sometimes with nausea feeling. So these are the symptoms in female. Let's understand in male. In the case of male, we can observe white or yellow or green, that is thick discharge from the tip of the penis. From the tip of the penis, you can observe these kind of green or yellow discharge. Inflammation of the testicles, inflammation of the testicles and prostate gland. Inflammation also can be seen in the case of testes and prostate gland. Clear? I hope my audio and video clear to you. Kindly update me if you are facing any issues with internet connectivity. From my side, please update me in comment box. Let me check myself. I would request you to update me if you are facing any issues. Okay, fine. Yes, Shivansh Verma, I have already completed of animal kingdom. Kingdom Animalia, plant kingdom, I have successfully covered. You can watch from my Play Store, that is from Unacademy Learning app. You can find my photo. You will find topic wise, that is Animal Kingdom Lecture 1, Animal Kingdom Lecture 2, Lecture 3. Until lecture number 13, I have covered. You can watch it for free of cost from Unacademy Learning app. Right? Hope you are not facing any kind of issues. Let's go forward. Then the urethra, itching, itching of urethra can be seen, and pain or burning sensation when passing of urine. When urine passing, then can feel burning sensation. So something problem also from my side, internet connectivity. Kindly be patient. Kindly give me few seconds. Yes, thanks for your patience. Let's continue our lecture now. Yes, let's come to discussion on herpes. Herpes and these all things what are remained. We will continue from our next topic, next chapter. Sorry, next class, because time has completed. Time has completed about herpes. If I explain about herpes roughly, both herpes, simplex, which include virus 1 and virus 2. They may be transmitted through the sexual intercourse or by saliva exchange by kissing or touching any affected area. So it can be affected. A condom can prevent herpes. Generally, a barrier, that is condom, can prevent the transmission during the vaginal or anal sexual intercourse. But the oral contact with genital open source anywhere can spread the disease. So at the place of affected area, by touching by open hands, it can be affected immediately. So washing hands can minimize the transmission. Herpes symptoms can include low back pain, burning sensation at genitals, pain during urination, flu-like symptoms, small red bumps appear around the genital on the mouth place. Syphilis, the causative agent is Treponema pallidum. It's a very important thing. It can be framed as a question also from the view of KCET 2021. It can also cross the placenta and it can reach the fallopian tube also. It can reach the baby also. Syphilis symptoms during the first stage. During the first stage of syphilis infection, Painless sores are open, unclear, may appear on the anus or vagina or penis, any side of the mouth. So this kind of sensation can be seen appearance during the second stage. An affected person may experience the flu-like symptoms and possible hair loss also can be seen or rash on the soles and palms. Some cases all over the body also we can see rashes. During the third stage, there is a damage to heart, brain, and even it can lead to death also. Right? About trichomoniasis, we will discuss in upcoming classes. Right? Hope you enjoyed this lecture. Whatever doubts you have, you are most welcome to comment in comment box. I am here to clarify all your doubts. I would suggest you in a few seconds. So I'm feeling internet connectivity issue here. Don't know why it happens today. It will never happen anyhow. Give me a few seconds kindly. Okay, fine. So download Unacademy Learning app from Play Store. Install your mobile phone and search your goal as Karnataka. Once you type Karnataka, you will get Karnataka CET Common Entrance Test. Install in your mobile and choose language English. Verify with your mobile and email. Follow my profile. If you have doubt, you can message me. I would suggest you to take plus subscription. You can have great experience. You can crack your Karnataka set without any doubt. You can pay like per month EMI also. Once you take plus subscription, you will get these all things for only plus subscribers. Right? So without doing any late, if you join with us in plus course, we will start our regular preparation. But don't forget to use my code that is IMRANLIVE because I'm providing you 10% off. So you will get physics, chemistry, maths, biology preparation. Meet you 6 to 7 p.m. in Unacademy Learning app. Until then, bye. Take care. See you.